Mathematics, chapter number 1, Integers, class 7. Before starting today's sessions, let's do little physical exercise. Fingers exercise much needed. Wrist, forward, reverse. You are playing number of times these types of game. Very easy. You can do and play. It's very good for your health and your hand also, because nowadays you are using the mobiles, online classes. Your eyes also need some exercise. Yes, you can move it fingers lightly, gentle hands. Don't press too much. Always wash with water. In a day, twice or thrice you can wash your eyes. Good. Here is the question number 1. What is the question number 1 of exercise 1.4? C. Evaluate each of the following. Minus 30 divided by 10. B. 50 divided by minus 5. One number positive, one number negative gives the answer negative. Same one. Same as the multiply. Division also having the same phenomena. C. Minus 30 divided by 10. That means here one rule is there. Reciprocal of that number. Division means reciprocal of that number. 10 reciprocal is 1 upon 10. Ulta. This way to this way. Okay? Correct. So now multiplication we know very well. And here they change the sign. Here is the division sign and here is the multiply sign. Here is the 10 and here is the 1 upon 10. Yes. Reciprocal of 10 is 1 upon 10. Okay, now cut it the number 0, 0. What is the left on the left side? Yes, before there you can just see. Minus 30 multiplied by 1 divided by 10. You can cut 0 here also. Yes, minus 3 is the answer. Correct? Regarding second one. See. Minus 50 into minus 1 upon 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 tens are 50. 10 into minus 1, minus 10. Easy? Yes. Will you do the third one? Yes, very nice. 9's reciprocal is minus 1 upon 9. 9 4s are 36. Yes, 4 is the answer. 49 and 49. Minus 49 divided by 49. Very easy. First number as it is. Second number multiply sign. And reciprocal of the second number is a 1 upon 49. Minus 49 upon 49 gives us a 1 only. But minus 1. Third one. Here they use the property. 13 divided by minus 2 plus 1. First solve of this answer. Minus 2 plus 1 will give us a minus 1. Yes, student. 13 divided by minus 1. Forget about 1. Reciprocal is 1 only. Minus 1 upon 1. Yes. So 13 is a minus 13 is the answer. What about F? 0 divided by minus 12. Student, minus 12 is reciprocal is 1 upon 12. Be careful. Once again I remind you, this sign will change to here. In this step it really comes to the multiply sign. Understood? Yes. It is that only. Divide to multiply. Here, check it. See, divide to multiply. And this number will go to reciprocal. Okay? Yes. And now we have the answer 0 upon 12. 0 for multiply also. 0 into 0. 0. 0 into any number? 0. Here also, whenever numerator is 0, answer always 0. Let's see the next number. 31 divided by 30, divide 50. Oh, bapre. 2 division is there. So first of the division of the big bracket. Square bracket division we can do first. See here. Minus 31, minus 1, 31, minus 31. See, this is not division, this is a minus sign. No, sorry. Which question is this one? G. Let's check the G questions. What are the G question, students? Here also division is given, minus 31. Okay. So let's do here 31 divided by minus 31. That gives us a 1. Okay. Yes. Now regarding the H1. 2 division, no problem. Let's do the first big bracket. Yes. 12. 12 is a 1 upon 3. Multiply by also 1 upon 3 together. Now you can just check it. 3. 3, 3 cut. Minus 1 is the answer. Last but not least. Minus 6 plus 5. Divided by minus 2 plus 1. First do it commonly. Yes. Minus 6 plus 5. It gives a minus 1. And here. Minus 2 plus 1. It gives also minus 1. Minus 1 divided by minus 1. Both are minus. Minus minus plus. Once again, minus 1 divided by minus 1. This both number will become a plus. Minus minus plus. 2 times. Upper niche dono side pe students. Yes, the answer is 1. Now look at the question number 2. Verify that A divided by B plus C is not equal to A plus B, A divided by B plus A divided by C for each of the following. Value of A and B and C. A value is 12, B value is minus 4, C value is 2. Yes, let's check the answer. A, what things are given? We should have to check left side and right side. LHS left hand side and RHS right hand side. LHS is here. A divided by B plus C. So A is 12, B is minus 4, C is 2. By simplifying this, we will get a minus 6. Now what is my RHS? A divided by B plus A divided by C. Let's put the value and check the answer. That answer is 3. R minus 6 and 3 are equal? No. That's why here our condition is checked and it is not satisfied, or in symbolically we can say left hand side is not equal to right hand side because minus 6 is not equal to 3. Okay, good. Now for second one also you can check it. B is having the value different one. A is minus 10, B is 1 and C is also 1. By putting the left side we get minus 5, right side minus 20. I am going little fast because you can check yourself. Here also you will not get both answer correctly. Minus 5 and minus 20 both number are different. That's why left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Clear? Okay, very good. Now look at the question number 3. Question number 3 is very simple. Fill in the blanks you like most. Here 2 numbers are given. Left side 369 divided by something is equal to 369. What will be coming? Yes, you are right only. 1 is the identity for division. If we divide any number with the 1, we will get the same number. Second B, 75 divided by dash is equal to minus 1. Which number is that? Which is getting the 1 answer by dividing? Yes, same number. Yes, with the different sign. Next, third. We can divide with the same number but plus 1 will give the same minus number. Next, which number is there minus? Minus 1 is that. Yes, check the answer is right or wrong. Yes. Minus, yes, plus 1. 206 gives us 100 and this one only. 75 gives us 75. Yes, D. Regarding E, look at here E. Minus 87 divided by 1 gives a minus 87 only. Regarding G, 20 divided by minus 10 gives us a minus 2. And here F and H. Yes, correct. Now question number 4. Little bit different one. And for your betterment, I will make it here. Write 5 pairs of integer A and B. 2 numbers you have to write. Such that A divided by B is equal to minus 3 होना चाहिए. One such pair is 6 and minus 2 because 6 divided by minus 2 gives us a minus 3. Very simple answer, students. See, first one already you are having pair. Second pair you can make anywhere. 9 divided by minus 3. Yes. One positive, one negative number gives us a minus sign only. Third one, 12 divided by 4. 12 table, 3 table, you can write any one. Tables. Yes, very easy. Good, you are right. Table you should have to write just simply. Okay, here it is the same time, same questions are coming. You can change it. Is it same one? No, that's why I put purposefully here. These both are not same. Here 9 is plus and here 9 is minus. Good. So this is one kind of pair. Both number are different. Oh? A is here 9, B is minus 3. Here A is minus 9, B is 3. Good. Now look at here. Next question, question number 5. What is the question number 5, student? The temperature at noon was 10 degrees centimeter above 0. Yes, positive number. If it decreases at the rate of 2 degrees centigrade per hour until midnight. Beta, what is saying that at noon, दोपहर को, or midnight means at night, at what time would be temperature be 8 degrees centigrade below 0? Below 0 means negative minus. Minus number is there, minus 8 degrees centigrade. What would be the temperature at midnight? तो मिडनाइट पे कब होगा? दो क्वेश्चन है बेटा, एक -8 कब होगा और मिडनाइट पे कितना होगा. Let's check the answer. See, in number line also I am trying to explaining. First one is number line here. What is the temperature at that? What the temperature was given? 10 degree. Is it or not? Yes, 10 degree temperature is there. See, here at noon. And 2 degree decreasing, jumping to 2 degree. And it reach at -8. Let's check. 10 8, 6, 4, 2, 0, -2, -4, -6 and -8. How many hours are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 hours. Let's check 9 hours कितना होता है बेटा? Yes, 9 hours only. You can forget about this statement. I showed it. You can write your statement your way. You understood what I did? Yes, 1 over 2 degrees centigrade temperature is decreasing, minus sign. So total time is 12 noon. Noon means 12 noon plus 9 hours. Yes, will give us a 21 hours. And 21 hours means -12 कर दो बेटा इसमें से, तो आपको पक्का मिलेगा 9 hours. Yes, 9 o'clock PM. Or you can write 21 hours also correct answer. Okay, what they ask at midnight. Midnight means रात को 12 बजे. So here how much degree is there? -8 degree is there. At what time? 9 o'clock -8 degree. So 10 o'clock what the time? -8 -2. That means give -10. Okay, 11 o'clock -10 -2 degree. That means -12. And at 12 o'clock, minus 12 minus 2, that gives minus 14. Let's check the answer. Minus 14 is there or not? Yes. See the answer here. Yes, that is a minus 14. See the question number 6. In class test, plus 3 marks are given for every correct answer and minus 2 marks are given for every incorrect answer and no marks for not attempting any question. These types of question we discuss in 1.3 exercise. Radhika scored 20 marks. If she has got 12 correct answer, how many questions has she attempted incorrectly? Mohini scores minus 5 marks in this test. So she has got 7 correct answers. How many questions has she attempted incorrect? 2 questions they ask us. Very simple. See, marks given for correct one is 3 and marks given for negative is minus 2. For 12 correct answer, 12 3 are 36. Radhika scored 36 mark, but she scored how many? 20 only. So 36 minus 20. Yes, minus 16 is the answer. Minus 16 means divide by 2. Incorrect answer 2 marks. So 8 questions she did wrongly. Yes, incorrect answer are 16 divided by 2. That means 8. Okay, easy? No? Okay, once again. First of all, how many correct answers she gave? 3 marks for correct answer. 12 marks, 12 questions she gave correctly. Who? Radhika. 12 is a 36 marks, she got it? Yes. But in our question, they said Radhika got only 20. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ बेटा? उसको 36 मार्क नहीं मिला है, उसको 20 मिला है. तो 36 मार्क तो उसको मिला, उसमें से उसको क्या करेंगे हम? नेगेटिव कर देंगे. इनकरेक्ट आंसर हमको ढूंढने का है. यस, दैट्स व्हाई minus 36 we can make it. So we can get a minus 16 marks we got as an incorrect answer. But minus 16 means one question wrong means minus 2. तो 16 कब बनेगा? Yes, whenever we can give 16 divided by 2 or minus 16 divided by minus 2. Yes, minus minus plus, and 16 divided by 2 will give us a 8 questions. So she attempted 8 questions wrongly or incorrect. So here is the answer for that one. Now what about the other one? Mohini scored minus 5 marks only, but that she gave 7 correct answer. 7 is 21. What? Minus 5. Minus 5 minus 21 gives us minus 26. Yes, minus 26 divided by 2 will give us 13 answer. 13 questions she attempted incorrectly. Understood? This type of question is very hard. I already said in question exercise 1.3, these are the related with SSC standard 10 base questions. So thus, for your knowledge, don't take any panic. If you cannot understand, try to understand, but don't take it seriously. This is my advice. Next one, question number 7 is here. An elevator descends into a mine shaft at the rate of 6 meters per minute if the descents start from 10 above the ground level. How long will it take to reach minus 350 meter? Student, here I want to explain little bit more. Mine means, yes, this is the ground, and here are mining. Under the ground they are mining and taking out coal or any minerals. For that they are keeping here elevator. Elevator, do you know, students? Yes, lift. For going down, lift is here. It is moving go down. Our buildings, apartment having the lift will go up. Here lift will go under the ground. But this lift is starting from here 10 meter above. Here से 10 meter ऊपर पे है बेटा. 10 meter above. Once again I am trying to draw it. This is the level. This is our, yes, my lift is here. Elevator. It's a 10 meter above, up of the ground, and it has to go under the ground minus 350 meter, m per meter. Okay. How much distance it has to travel, and per minute, 1 minute, 6 meter it will move. Starting speed is 6 meter per minute. 6 meter per minute. Okay, let's check. See what the things are given. Starting point of mine shaft is 10 meter above the ground, but it moves in opposite direction. Next, opposite, remember this word, direction. So it travels the distance minus 350 plus 10. Yes, from up it going down, 10 plus 350 gives us 360 meter, but negative. Opposite direction, a 10 meter here have to go opposite direction, plus 350 more. Now what is the time? 1 meter 6, or you can say 6 meters in 1 minute. 360 meter, how many minutes we have to check out? Yes, here is the question, like this way. 6 meter is equal to 1 minute, but I want to go 360 meter. How much time I want to go? क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई, इसके साथ इसको ले लो, इसके साथ इसको ले लो. Yes, 360 divided by 6. 360 multiply by 1, that means same number, divided by 6. 6 table. 6 1 is 6, 6 6 is 36, and 1 0 is more. 60 into 1, 60. Answer is 60 divided by 1. No need to write 1. Okay, that means 60 minutes is the answer. But remember, 60 minutes is equal to how many hours? Yes, right, 1 hour. So here 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. So shaft or elevator will take 1 hour to reach at 350 degree minus. Here we completed our chapter number 1, exercise 1.4, all question answer. Thank you once again. Take care, be safe, bye bye.